Welcome to Enjoy Learning. Have you ever been confused about must, could, should and would? Don't worry. In this video, I'll explain them in detail with easy examples so you never mix them up again. Let's get started. Must. Must is mainly used in three different situations. 1. Necessity. When something is required or compulsory. Example. You must wear a helmet while riding a bike. So, wearing helmet is compulsory for safety and also a legal requirement in many places. 2. Strong recommendation or advice. It is used to give strong suggestions that should be followed. Example, you must read this book, it's amazing. This sentence emphasizes that reading the book is highly recommended. Third one, certainty. It's used when you are sure about something based on evidence or reasoning. Example, he must be at work because his car is in the office parking lot. The presence of the car leads to a logical assumption that he is at work. Next one, would. It is also used in three different circumstances. 1. Polite requests. When you make questions more formal or courteous way. Example, would you mind opening the window? This polite request sounds more respectful than saying open the window. Second, hypothetical situations used in imaginary or unreal situations. Example, if I had enough money, I would buy a new car. The speaker is imagining a situation where they have enough money which is not currently true. 3. Past habits. Describes repeated actions in the past. Example, when we were kids, we would play outside for hours. This sentence refers to a regular activity in the past that no longer happens. Next one, could. Now, let's see where all we use could. 1. Past ability. It refers to something someone was able to do in the past. Example, when I was young, I could run a marathon. This highlights the speaker's ability in the past, which may no longer be true. 2. Polite requests. It's similar to can but more polite and formal. Example, could you help me with this project? This request is more respectful than saying, can you help me? 3. Possibility. It indicates something that might happen or is possible. Example, it could rain later today. So, there is a possibility of rain, but it's not certain. Now, fourth one, should. Now, let's learn the use of should. 1. To say advice or suggestions or recommendations, to recommend what is best to do. Example, you should drink more water to stay healthy. The sentence gives advice for better health. 2. Moral obligation refers to what is right or appropriate. Example, we should always help those in need. This highlights a moral responsibility to help others. 3. Expectation. It refers to something that is likely or expected to happen. Example, the train should arrive at 6 p.m. Here, the speaker expects the train to arrive at the scheduled time.